Hi, this is Jon Galloway with Microsoft. We're continuing our look at ASP.NET Web API with a look at how it handles some more advanced querying scenarios. In a previous screencast, we looked at two very simple query cases, get all comments and get a comment by ID. Now we'll extend on that, starting with manually paging using query string parameters. So you'll see here our get comments method takes in two parameters, page index and page size, and we're able to call any logic we'd like here. So in this case, we're calling into our repository and paging and skipping manually. We can always drop to this level, which is nice. Inside our JavaScript, you'll see we're just concatenating to build out the URL and calling into that method. So you always have the ability to do that. However, if you would like, with ASP.NET Web API, you also can take advantage of OData query syntax. So in order to use that, all we need to do is change our getComments method from returning IEnumerable to returning IQueryable. And you'll see here we're just using a simple extension method to convert our IEnumerable to IQueryable. In our JavaScript, we still need to build out that query URL. So you'll see here we're using a top and a skip parameter, and then we're passing those in. However, on the server side, Web API takes care of handling all those query parameters and just doing that for us automatically. And all we need to do to get that support is return an IQueryable. So you'll see here we've got a very simple page. We're able to search either by query string or queryable. I can search, and either way I get the same results back. I'm able to set a size, page size, and here I've got 2, IQuery, queryable, same thing. So let's take a look at the developer tools and see how that works. So I'm starting to capture, and you'll see when I search by query string, I've got that page size and page index query string parameter. When I search as queryable, same thing, except here I'm using top and skip. So a few important things to point out with this OData query support. First of all, we are only using OData query syntax, so you'll see here that our OData query did not require us to return any special OData syntax. This is standard JSON. All we're doing is making use of the OData query syntax. So a second thing that's nice about this is that I'm able to take advantage of other queries very easily. So you'll see here I'm also ordering by author. So I'm just enabling that in my JavaScript, made no changes on the server, and now when I search as queryable, I'm going to get these back alphabetically sorted by author. So you'll see that that's very nice to be able to take advantage of more advanced OData query support without needing to make any more changes on my server other than returning as queryable. So that wraps up our look at advanced querying in ASP.NET Web API, starting with manual implementations, which you're always able to use, and if you'd like to use OData query syntax, it opens up a lot of powerful options for you. In our next screencast, we'll be taking a look at validation in ASP.NET Web API.